Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic for discussion is Amazon Live Selling. It's an amazing feature that introduced by Amazon to sell live like a crazy. You can showcase your product and grab customers instantly. You can also hire social media influencers for live selling. Simply visit Amazon website and add live in the URL to check live deals. How to go live. Open your Seller Central, then go in Help page. Then click on Get Support. Then click on Selling on Amazon. Then click on Your Account. Then click on Other Account Issues. Then write Amazon Live Product Showcase in Short Description option and in Describe Your Issues section. Tell the Amazon team that you want to go live to sell your products. For example, you can write, Dear Amazon, we want to showcase our product live on Amazon and share the following link with Amazon https www.amazon.com live. Please let us know the eligibility criteria. Thanks. Share your email in Email section and click on Send. Amazon will respond to you on your email. If your product or category is eligible for this, then you can enroll. And if your product or category is not eligible, then you cannot enroll in this. If you find it informative, then share it with others. Thank you for your time.